Maziwhyte here. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple website. All right, not only simple but also free. All right, and very attractive. So in case you're looking up to promoting your business on the internet, all right, you're looking up to scaling your business on the internet, I believe that this website should be able to give you the right handle. All right, so maybe you want to share your affiliate links, or you want to give out ebooks, or you want to connect people to content, to the content you got on the internet, whatever thing you want to do that a website should be able to do. This very website can do it for you. All right, now if this is the very first time you're meeting me online, I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. All right, and also I want you to leave a like. All right, now on this channel what I do is purely affiliate marketing, and on a consistent basis I upload videos that help you to do affiliate marketing and to do it with results. All right, and then below this video I'm going to be leaving the link to the very training that took me by the hand and showed me how to do affiliate marketing and to do it making consistent income. So in case you want to do affiliate marketing, you want to create an online business for yourself, or you're much about creating passive income, go ahead and click on the link below this video so that you can access this training. Go watch this training and take whatever action that you need to take, all right, to be able to make consistent income on the internet. All right, so I invite you straight to my computer screen right now, where I show you how to create this simple, easy and free website. All right, welcome to my computer screen, and what we're going to be doing right now is showing you how you can actually create a simple, attractive and free website to promote your business on the internet. All right, and I'm doing that using canva.com. all right, and I believe that most of us know what canva.com is. Now canva.com is a website where anybody can go, even if you don't have graphic experience. All right, anybody can go to Canva and just create, do your graphic works. All right, it's a very good tool to create your online contents. All right, now on Canva you can create presentations, do photo collage, do posting, do Instagram, create your Instagram post. All right, design your logo, resume, infographic, whatever thing. All right, anything that is graphic. You can do your YouTube thumbnails. I tell you, canva.com is one of the best platform out there that you can use to create stunning pictures and content for whatever thing you're doing on the internet. All right, so to create this website, I'm gonna type in website. Okay, and Canva is going to give us options of what template to use. We're not going to be using this particular one website. We're not going to use BioLink website. We're going for mobile first website. This is the one we're going to be making use of, mobile first website. All right, and when you click on mobile first website, you're going to have a plethora of templates that you can use. All right, and most of these templates come in several pages. All right, but these are all templates, very stunning, beautiful templates that you can use to promote your business online. All right, they are so beautiful. We have there is the blank template here that you can use to start from the scratch, or you can go for, let's just go for this one. We're not going to be wasting time in this video. I'm just going to be as brief as I can because I don't want it to be too long. All right, so we're going to click on this template, and what we're going to do is edit these templates. All right, we're just going to go on and edit this template, add our buttons and our business links, all right, so that so that when your visitors click on your buttons, the buttons with your business link are going to take your visitor to wherever you want them on the internet. All right, it's so beautiful. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and edit this template. All right, I'm not going to be doing much with it. You can go and you can actually remove the picture, delete the picture, delete the content, change as much as you want to change in this template. All right, so I'm not going to, I don't want us to, so I'm not going to be removing the picture, the background. Okay, and just what I'm going to do is add to this template, put a button on it and make it clickable. So this one says online beginners course. Okay, online beginners course. Let me what do I say? Online beginners course. Okay, find out how to create, let me say your find out how to, online beginners course, find out how to create your your online business. All right, find out how to create your online business. I'm gonna touch up the character a little. I'm just gonna touch up the character. Let me use fat face. Is that okay? All right, I'm just gonna touch up the character, the letters a little. All right, okay, let's do something here now. Okay, then I'm gonna add a button. So what I'm gonna do is go straight to, I'm gonna go straight to element and search for button. I'm gonna search for button, button using the element. Okay, let me go for this. Let me go for this, and I'm just gonna increase it. Okay, increase it. Let's leave this here. Okay, and I'm gonna go to my text. I'm gonna go to my text, choose a text, increase the font size so I can, okay, increase the font size, increase the font size, and write click here. All right, I think I'm still going to increase the font size. I'm still going to increase the font size. Okay, all right, click here. I think that's a good one. Click here. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the text and click on the dot here. Go bring in my affiliate link. Okay, I'm just going to go bring in my link. Let's say here I'm going to copy this link. Okay, I'm going to copy this link, go back, place my link here, paste it, apply it, and the link goes in instantly. All right, I think we are done with this page. Okay, so we're going to go to the next page, edit the page. I'm going to edit the page, edit this page. We are in this together. Let me add a text. We are in this together. Let me say join. We're in this together. Join my Facebook group. Join my Facebook group. Okay, and I change the color. I'm going to change the text type is Spartan. Okay, and I'm going to make it a little colorful. What am I? Okay, I'm going to use this, make it a little
colorful. All right, and then I'm gonna add my is it okay? Okay, it's okay like this. I think it's okay like this. Let me just okay. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add another button to it. So I'm adding this button right away. Okay, adding this button right away, so that I'm gonna just add my Facebook, the link to my Facebook. Okay, so I'm going back and I'm gonna copy my Facebook link. Okay, copy my Facebook link, go back. Oh boy, open. Okay, that's a mistake. Okay, I'm gonna go for text. I'm gonna go for text. All right, first of all, I'm gonna go for text. I'm gonna increase my text. Okay, then I'm gonna okay, join now. Okay, join now. Still gonna increase the join text. Okay, then I'm gonna place it here. I'm gonna highlight it, highlight my text. Okay, highlight my text and add my link. Okay, I'm gonna add my link. It's my link here. Apply it so it becomes a clickable link. All right, I think we're done with this. And finally, we're gonna go for the last template, and we're just gonna edit these templates. Okay, you can go and you can create whatever thing you want to create. Make something that is consistent with your business. All right, this is just for teaching purpose. All right, this is for teaching purpose. You can do something more beautiful. You can edit your background, add the picture of your choice, add colors. Okay, I'm just showing you what is possible here. That's just what I'm doing with this video. Say find a space that works for you. Let me add something like download my ebook now. Okay, download my ebook now. Download my ebook now. Okay, download my ebook now. Delete. Download my ebook now. Okay, download. Yeah. Okay. All right. And say. All right. Okay. Download my ebook now. Okay. Download my ebook now. All right, download my ebook now. I'm then just gonna add a button right away. All right, I'm gonna add the button right away. I don't know, maybe okay, let me change the color a little. Let me add, you got to make your colors consistent. All right, that is something again that you have to put into consideration. All right, make your colors consistent each page. So I'm going to go to element and then bring in this button again. Okay, bring in this button. Okay, and I'm going to add my text. Okay, I'm going to add my text. Increase the font size. Increase my font size, bring my font down here. Okay, download now. Then I'm gonna write down download now. Okay, then I'm gonna place my download now in the button. All right, the button, highlight my button. I'm gonna highlight my button, go and bring in a third what link. I can add any link. Okay, a third link here. I'm going to highlight this, bring in a third link. Okay, copy, go back, place my link. Okay, paste my link, apply, and we're almost done. All right, so we are done with creating our website, your mobile website. Okay, This is what we have. You can do something better than me. I'm just doing something that I'm just on the fast side. I want to be fast and show you what is possible. So we're going to publish our website. All right, and when you click on publish your website, you're going to have this is your website here playing out. All right, and we're giving options, all right, on different ways you can publish your website. You're giving options. You can publish your website as a presentation. You can publish it as scrolling, classic, navigation, or standard, but you're going to choose publish it as a scrolling website because it's something that's going to have to do with your mobile phone. All right, now this is our website. All right, this is our website. Let me open our website. This is our website. All right, this is our website. Oh, this is our website. This is just our website. Okay, you can see our website here. Now in here there are links. If I click on them now, it's going to take me to if I click on these links, it's just going to take us to going to connect to our links, our affiliate links, and it's going to take us to wherever we want those links to take us to. Okay, now now you could be asking, how do you get people to click on your website, to get to your website? All right, so what you're going to do is that you're going to copy this link. This is the link to your website. All right, now let me show you what our website is going to be like on the phone. So I'm clicking on inspect element, inspects. All right, now this is what your website is going to look like on your phone. Okay, this is what your website is going to look like on your phone, and they are all clickable. They got all clickable links in them. This is what your website is going to look like on your phone. So I'm going to go back again. Then what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to copy I'm going to copy our website. Okay, I'm going to copy our website. All right, I'm going to copy and go. I'm going to copy right now and go to, I'm going to go to bit.ly. All right, I'm going to go to bit.ly link shortener and shorten this, paste it here and shorten it. All right, I'm going to shorten it. Now this is the link to our website, and we're going to take this link and go share this link wherever we want to share them, and have people click on our buttons and go straight to where we want them to go to. Let me copy this link. All right, place it here. Okay, paste it here, and voila, let's see where we go to. You see, this is our website. All right, this is our website, and we can click on them. Let me click on here and see where I go to. All right, so if you're watching me for the very first time, please go ahead. If you're getting value from this video, please go ahead and click right now. Subscribe to this channel right now. Okay, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that I get notified every time I upload a video. Now you can see where the link on our website took me to. All right, it took me to my affiliate sign up page. All right, it took me to my affiliate sign up page. So that is how to create your mobile website. All right, it's free to create, it's simple to create, and it's very, very attractive. See you in my next video. God bless.